There you go. All right, we're at Miss Becker's Craftsman cabin today. And look at this beautiful stained glass window she has here in the door. Isn't that beautiful? So again, you walk in through the front door, okay? Make your way to the left, and this is where she has the access down to their basement. And as you can see, this is where Miss Becker placed her access to the basement. So again, you come in through the front door and voila. Now remember, this model is typically set up as a 2-bed, 2-bath, but in her case, she decided to make it up on this first floor, a 1-bed, 1-bath. So she has more living room space because she knew she was going to be making 2 more bedrooms down in the basement. Again, this is the Craftsman cabin, built by AmishBuiltCabins.com. Beautiful. Just a beautiful structure. As you can see, she has made it very homely, beautiful, all kinds of natural light. She insisted on having these screen doors throughout her home to keep the bugs out. So she's got a screen door there. She's got a screen door here off the living room going onto the huge deck on the back, and she's got a screen door here, as you can see, off of her bedroom here going out to the back deck. Okay, again, this is her master bedroom and her bathroom. Okay, huge bathroom, by the way. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so again, guys, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Craftsman. We can do it as a 1-bed, 1-bath, as you can see here, but most folks, again, if they're not putting it on a basement, do this one as a 2-bed, 2-bath or a 2-bed, 1.5 bath. But in her case, because she did the basement, she did this one as a 1-bed, 1-bath on this floor. Then you take the basement to go downstairs where she's going to have another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Again, let's take you out on the porch and show you how pretty this big porch is on the back, this big deck. And look at her Tennessee views, guys. Came all the way out here to film her cabin because I wanted you guys to see the Craftsman cabin in all its glory and how beautiful it is, and what the what the different creative ways you can finish this cabin. She's got her copper gutters and spouts and all downspouts and all that. Got the D-log siding. Just a beautiful structure, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Let's take you inside and show you. There's Big Bertha 1.0. You all know her very well. And again, huge porch. Let's take you inside and show you this setup. So when you walk in, now this one is set up same kind of concept where you got the open concept. We got a little bit staged. So you got your living room here. We already got your GFIs here where your kitchenette's gonna go, but this is just a shell. So if you purchase this just the way it is, as you can see, this already got electric running. You got 2x6 exterior wall studs. It's got R19 insulation in it. Then you got the birch wood. That is not sheetrock, by the way. That's actually birch painted white on the walls. That way when you transport it, it won't crumble during transportation. So this is where your kitchenette area will go along this wall in an L shape. And open concept, there's your living room. Again, you got these beautiful black double pane vinyl easy clean Anderson windows. And just like the 1.0, as you go back, you got bedroom number 1 here. We got it set up as a little office. You can see you got your electrical panel. You do have a pocket door right here. And again, if you buy this one just like it is with the electric installation and the birch on it, just like you see it, it's already got the lights fully insulated at $75,000. Or you can say, you know what, I want it fully turnkey, move-in ready with all the appliances, kitchenette, everything in it, tubs, toilets, and sinks. That'll be $125,000. The way this one's set up, you got a spot here for your full bathroom, and then last but not least, you got your master bedroom over this way. Okay, so this way, and that's a queen size bed for reference. So as you can see, you could fit a king. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. There's a window out to your front porch there, and then you got another window here. A lot of natural light coming in. You see you got your LED recessed lights in there. And again, this one is 75 grand if you just buy it like you see it here. Because a lot of people, they're into DIY, you know, the do-it-yourself stuff. So they'll say, I just want to buy the shell like it is with electric insulation and then the sheetrock on it. In this case, like I said, this ain't sheetrock, this is birch. And then they finish it from there. So a lot of people will buy it like this because they want to save the money and put in their own tubs, toilets, and sinks, which really, you know, you can do that as a weekend warrior project at Home Depot and Lowe's. So if you're into DIY, give us a call, buy you one of these shells, and then finish it yourself. See what I'm saying? That way you can save some money. But if you're not a DIY type of person and you just want us to bring it to you turnkey, move-in ready, well, we can do that too. Again, $75,000 if you buy it just like this, or $125,000 if you buy it fully loaded. And when we say fully loaded, we mean electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilet, sinks, tankless water heater, mini splits, stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. We're talking about turn the key and move on in. Okay, turn the key and move on in. Again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. And remember too, like let's say for example, you like that tongue and groove pine on the inside instead of these white walls. We can do that, guys. That's not a big deal. And then maybe on the outside, you don't want the, maybe you want the, you don't want the metal, you want the D-log siding. We can do that as well. So just keep in mind, when you order your cabin, you tell us how you want it. You see what I'm saying? Some people really like this look with the metal and the cedar trim. Some people are like, no, I like rustic. I want all D-log siding on the outside and I want tongue and groove pine on the inside. Well, again, we can do that too. Just let us know how you want us to do it and we can cater to what y'all are talking about. Make sense? Again, these are made just for you, okay? Now, this particular model on the lot is for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing this lot model, we might be able to give you a little bit of a discount. So give us a call. First deposit gets it. We're getting ready to rotate this one out and bring in another model. So if you're interested in this one, just give us a call and say, I'm interested in purchasing the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. And that way you don't have to wait for us to build one, because right now we're like 6 to 8 months out. If you're wanting to wait on one, there's quite a wait on it. But again, if you want custom, we can do custom as well. Just let us know what it is you're trying to do. Give us a call and we can make it happen. Okay. Look at them floors. Beautiful. Again, if you're just looking for a tiny home for your land, this one is 560 square feet, livable space, 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. So with the porch, you're looking at 800 square foot under roof. Let me again take you outside and show you a side-by-side comparison one last time before ending the video here. All right, let's say you all are looking for a shipping container home. This is the one we call the Black Beauty. I'm gonna start over here in the bedroom. This shipping container home, as you can see, lots of natural light coming in. This shipping container home is a 8 foot in width by 40 foot long, and it's got the 9 foot walls on it. Okay, so it's an 8 by 40 with the 9 foot walls. You got your combination washer and dryer connection there. You got your remote control there for your mini split. This comes with the one mini split for heating and cooling. Got a queen size bed here. Inside this little closet, little cupboard, you got your tankless water heater for your instant hot water, right? Obviously in these smaller modular cabins and modular shipping container homes, you don't want to put a big old 40-gallon water heater here. That's going to take up a lot of very important space. And then get the beautiful LVP floors. And you, of course, got your barn doors here for privacy into your bedroom. So let me step back so you can see that. So you got your barn doors there for privacy. Open that up. Again, you got multiple windows here for natural light. Got like a little living room here. Remember, this is just a studio. So for those of you all out there that got a family of 5 or 6, talking about, oh, that's too small for me. This ain't meant for a family of 5 or 6, y'all. This is just meant for, a lot of people buying this, they buy them for like what we call granny pods, to where mama and papa, mom and dad, they're getting older and you want to keep them out of the old folks' home. So you put them in one of these, right, in the backyard. That way they can still maintain their integrity and independence, and you keep them out of the old folks' home. So a lot of people are buying these for those. We also have a lot of investors that buy these, and they'll buy 5 or 6 of them and put them out on their land and rent them out as Airbnbs and VRBOs, because come to find out, people actually really like kind of staying in shipping container homes, okay, for like a little Airbnb type of thing. This one comes with your stove, refrigerator, microwave. You got a 4-burner induction stove. That's one of them flat electric stoves. Got a nice little sink here. You look out on your land. Okay, when you do some cleaning, all kinds of cabinet space. And then you see the theme over here. Well, before we go in there, there's your front door. There's your little Mr. Cool thermostat to control your heating and cooling over there. Okay, you got your lights up there. Again, you got the barn door here where, see what I'm saying? For privacy when you're handling your business, all kinds of space there on the commode to handle your business. Sink, there you go. And of course, this got a stand-up shower in it, walk-in shower, but you are welcome if you want for us to put a tub in it. As you can see, there's all kind of room next to the toilet. If you want a tub instead of a walk-in shower, we can do that. So this one is called the Black Beauty Shipping Container Home. It is fully insulated, ready to go. This one can be moved into today. So let me walk outside real quick and show you what the outside of it looks like. So again, this is a 8-foot by 40-foot with 9-foot walls shipping container home. You see they got the door welded shut here.